You're not stuck because you lack clarity. You're stuck because nothing is forcing you to stop. You don't need clarity. You need constraints. This is Mentops. Clarity feels responsible. It sounds mature. It sounds careful. I'll decide when it's clear. But clarity has no deadline. So thinking continues, and nothing moves. Constraints create endings. They decide when thinking stops and action begins. Without constraints, the mind expands forever. With constraints, decisions happen. Not perfectly, but on time. Constraints feel unsafe because they remove options. But options don't create progress. Limits do. Every system that works because it ends. You don't need clarity. You need constraints. Mentops exists to restore movement. If you want the full system, check the guide in the description. This is Mentops.